Okay guys, a really quick update with Bitcoin. So we're coming up on a key support level. By the way, that previous video, I was kidding guys. I did not get attacked by a shark. It was April Fool's. I probably carried it a little too far. I should have given more clues that I was kidding. If you watched to the end, I made it very clear that it was a joke. But I do appreciate all of the comments wishing me to get well. I'm doing much better today on the 2nd. Yesterday's video, I told you guys the nice point to scalp along was right at 69,200. I'll link up this video now if you want to check it out. You can see we did get a little bounce from this point. You can see this is a descending channel we broke down from. We're approaching critical support right now, so it's possible we could get a bounce from there. If that does break, I'll give you an export level below, but if we do push up, I just want to show you the likely point that we would get rejected. Guys, when we get into leverage trading, 3 exchanges I use and trust are BingX, Bitget, and CoinCatch. CoinCatch is no KYC. Jump on that while you can. All those links to sign up pinned in the first comment description. If you want to learn how to trade on Bitget, this tutorial video I made showing you how to set a stop loss, special stop loss, longs, shorts, all that. Click this video now if you want to check it out. So again, watch this video. I did cover some upside downside targets, but again, I just want to keep this short and sweet and just show you the key levels I'm looking at right now. So we did get a bounce, and as I mentioned in Discord, we were at H1 confluence. I mentioned that in the previous video. This is point 2 scalp along. We did push up, and then we started dropping, and this is what I'm covering right now, and of course the heat maps. And this is important as well. We do have some liquidity above around 67K. But you can see we have a lot of liquidity down below. Remember yesterday what I said, the lowest point, your strongest support level below is around 62K. There's a lot of buy orders around that area. Again, if you want to get access to these live charts in Discord, you can sign up. The link's pinned in the first comment description. It's operaCrypto.com. You can't pay USDT, but you need to email me through the website. Also email me through the website if you want to get access to Discord. So let's cover these targets real quick, guys. So we're coming up on a key support level right now. That support is right at 64,500. If that breaks, guys, your next strong support, like I just said, is going to be around 62,000 down to 61,741. That is because that is where the, hold on, we'll have to go to the D1 chart here. That is where the bottom Bollinger Band is on the daily. Let me give you a price label here. As you can see, this is the bottom Bollinger Band, and it's coming right up to a fib channel line that price has been respecting going way back. So again, if we do drop down to around 62,000, that'd be an ideal point too long if we break below 64,500. But this could be a point to scalp along up to. Your next resistance level just above is going to be 66,365 around that area. But if we do get above that point, again, your next likely point to short would be up around 67,000, 68,000. Again, we have liquidity up around that area, but you can see, and I did pull it back so you can see the confluence, that this is a very important support and resistance level. But you can see right here, if I can find my damn brush tool, again, so this was resistance, right? Support, resistance. We pushed up again resistance, came down, tested support. Notice that this is a descending channel. This is just this line here, which is duplicated and brought down here. So it was a double confluence. You had this fib channel line price respecting, right? And you had this trend line that price is respecting. So that was confluence. That's why I said that was a likely point for a scalp long. And now price dropped. So if we hold at 64,500, your next point to a scalp or short would be around 66,365. But an ideal point to short would be around, let's say, 68,000. Again, that would be, we broke down from this channel. If we push back up, that'd be a likely point to short. We would test that channel as resistance and then have more downside. Obviously, if we push back above this point and we're back up into this channel and we get above 68,370, that would be bullish to push back up to this channel again. So that is your key resistance above to watch. It's around 67,968 around that area. Of course, these lines are at angle. It depends on when you make contact, depends on price. But as I said, if we break, so your point too long is around 64,460 around that area. But if that does become resistance, guys, if this becomes resistance, then your next point too long is around 62,000. And guys, I don't ask you to like, comment, and subscribe, but I'm kind of stuck with my same number of subscribers. So if you do appreciate the content I put out, guys, and you want to show me love, I'll show you the love by putting more videos out. You know, subscribe. You know, try to get my subscription numbers up, guys. I really appreciate it. It's up to you if you want to like, doesn't matter, but I guess if you don't ask for people to subscribe, they'll never click the subscribe button. I notice a lot of people that watch my videos are not subscribed, but they keep coming back to watch them. So again, I would appreciate it if you would do that for me. Again, so let's cover a couple things. As I said, pretty soon I will make a video about this chart. But just to recap really quick, guys, and I will go into detail about it soon. I just want to make you very aware that, like I said, once this orange ring, was support, and I did say stay bullish before this ring. I said once we cross it, I said this possibly could come up, test on the daily. I've said this repeatedly. I thought we'd come up and test it sooner. Notice we tested the ring. Once it becomes resistance underneath this blue ring, that indicates it's possible we could have a lot of downside. So that next video, I will break this chart down and go into detail about it and show you basically how low I think this could possibly go. I do believe we are topped out. We'll have to see. We do know that once we cross this blue ring, at any point we cross it, wherever we cross it, we know we're going to get one hell of a pump. That being said, this could be resistance to push price down. So again, just pay attention to these key targets. 64,460. Ideal point, there's a 2 open along. If we break that, then we're headed down to at least 62,000. In the next video, I'll cover those long targets below 62,000 if this becomes resistance. But guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to get leverage trading, again, CoinCash, great option. If you're in the US, no KYC. And 2 other exchanges I use, BingX and BitGet. All those links, sign up, pin, first comment, description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.